With the official launch of Android 13, Oppo also announced the new ColorOS 13 international version system today. In the new version of the software, the factory has switched to the so-called aquatic design language in terms of vision and UI. Smart productivity. Multiscreen Connect has a makeover. Multiscreen Connect now works with Oppo tablets too, so you can seamlessly transition between screen on your smartphone, tablet and PC with ease. Any file, any phone. Breaking free from hardware constraints. Oppo phone, old or new, now left you sync any format of files from your computer, photos, videos, music and docs, without any data. Multiscreen multitasking made easy. Multiscreen Connect allows to use more than one app from your phone on a PC, search content, copy text between apps and so much more. This is multitasking mode easy. Never miss a beat. Smart always on display lets you see important info at a glance like food delivery updates and music controls, even when your screen is locked. Expression like never before. Bitmoji AOD. Integrated with always on display, Bitmoji reflect your real life activates, mimicking the real you throughout the day. You will probably see your Bitmoji snooze away at night, and use an umbrella when it's raining outside. Aquamorphic design. Oxygen OS 13's inspiration was water and nature. Play all day. The computing power model ensures computing resources from hardware are accurately scheduled to achieve a balance between high performance and low power consumption. You can enjoy an even longer battery life with your Oppo Find X5 Pro updated with ColorOS 13.12. Battery life under regular usage: 34 hours. Battery life under different scenarios: video playback, 22 hours. Gaming, 9 hours. Video call, 8 hours. And breathe, your apps are running. You can have more apps running together and ready for you to jump right back in where you left off. It's perfect for your always-on lifestyle. Share with confidence. Auto Pixelate. By utilizing a powerful on-device algorithm model, Auto Pixelate 13 can automatically recognize and pixelate profile photos and names in chat screenshots with one tap, enabling super-fast, worry-free social sharing. Keep it close. Private Safe. Private Safe has been further enhanced by the adoption of the advanced encryption standard, keeping your photos, videos and files private with higher security.
I sincerely appreciate your attention today. And that brings us to the end. I'd like to thank you for your time and attention today. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. Give your supports. Thank you.